Hello, my name is Ken Fernandez, and today I'll be talking about my experience with the development and portfolio one at Full Sail. This is a picture of me, and these are the topics I will be talking about. So let's continue. The first technology I want to talk about is Trello. I knew about Trello before, but actually, this course actually bring me to like everything that I can do with Trello and how I actually should use this application. Great technology to have. The other technology that we've been using on the course is C Sharp. C Sharp is a great programming language, especially for beginners and everybody in between beginner and expert. It's highly recommended because it's actually a fun language and very versatile. It's have all kind of use cases. Things with Xamarin, you can actually do mobile development. The Node framework covers everything else from desktop and web applications. So it's actually a great language if you don't know what you want to be special of. The last thing I will be mentioning here is Git. Git is a visual control and actually helps you with documenting instances as your code, making sure that you like a previous version better or a previous version was working better than the actual version that you're working on now. You can always retrieve that old code and keep working on it. Plus, Git actually help you with sharing your code with other uh, team members. It's also it is Git is known as a centralized version control. The next thing we're gonna talk about is what I did during the project. I actually did two projects. I was refactoring a SD1 project, and I also started working in a game project that actually have other mini games inside of this project. Uh, you can see here that the main method only have one method code that is called game menu from the menu class. Let's jump there and see what we have there. We have the options. When you pick a with a number, any of the other game, that game should be called, and then you start playing the game. We have the backward games that will take a sentence and will make it backwards. Swap name will take your first and last name and swap it, making your last name first name and your first name last. Age conversion is gonna change your age in years into age month and minute, etc. Temp conversion will take Fahrenheit and turn it into Celsius and vice versa. And the big blue fish that I actually didn't finish it, but it should bring um, what who is the biggest fish in each color. These basically the things that I learned. There are more, but with the short time I have, these the ones I'm going to mention. I learned about vision control slash terminal also. I learned about documentation using Trello and Google Drive, making clean code, giving classes and methods a name, a significant name, and commenting on the code. Reverse engineering our practices, making sure that I do everything legally so I can learn about other people's code but without any plagiarism. Our methodology is a great practice with the development fear that make us more productive. Watching after I passed this course, I really improved on my overall skills around coding specifically and how I can be more productive and be better. There are there's still a lot of things I can improve upon, but I feel like I'm in the right way. So I really want to thanks everybody watching this video. Sorry to make it short, but time is pressing. So take care. Hope to see you soon.